Hi, Alex. Good morning.
Good morning, Emma. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm a little tired. I didn't sleep well.
Oh no. Why not?
I stayed up late. I was doing homework.
Me too. I had a lot of math homework.
Math is hard. I don't like it.
Same here. But I try my best.
Yes, trying is important. What class do we have first?
We have science at 8 a.m.
Ah, I like science. It's fun.
Me too. The teacher is funny.
Yes, Mr. Brown is nice. He makes jokes.
Did you bring your notebook?
Yes, I have it. Do you have a pen?
Yes, I have two. You can borrow one.
Thanks, Emma. You always help me.
You're welcome. That's what friends do.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I had bread and tea. You?
I ate eggs and toast, and I drank milk.
That's healthy. I was in a hurry this morning.
Did you walk to school?
No, I came by bus. What about you?
I walked. I live near the school.
Lucky you. The bus was late again.
That's bad. I like walking. It's good exercise.
Yes, it is. Do you bring lunch from home?
Yes, I bring food every day. I don't like the school food.
Same. What did you bring today?
I brought rice, beans, and chicken, and an apple.
Yummy. I brought spaghetti and juice.
Spaghetti sounds good. Do you eat in the cafeteria?
Sometimes. But today I will eat outside.
Good idea. It's sunny today.
Yes, I like warm days. It makes me happy.
Me too. After lunch, we have English, right?
Yes, and then history class.
I like English, but history is boring for me.
Really? I enjoy history. I love old stories.
That's nice. I just get sleepy in that class.
Haha. Do you take the bus home after school? Yes, at 3:15. And you? Same. But sometimes my gag picks me up.
What do you do after school?
I go home, eat a snack, and do my homework.
That's good. I do the same. Then I play video games.
Cool. I watch a little TV in the evening.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, I try to sleep by 9:30 p.m.
Wow, that's early. I sleep at 10:30.
I like sleeping early. It helps me wake up fresh.
Maybe I should try that. I feel sleepy in class.
Yes, sleep is important. Do you have any tests today?
Yes, we have an English quiz. Did you study?
A little bit. I read my notes.
I studied with my sister. She helps me.
That's nice. I study alone. It's quiet in my room.
That's good. I get distracted easily.
Me too. I turn off my phone when I study.
Smart idea. I will try that.
Do you want to study together sometime?
Yes, that's a great idea.
Okay. Let's plan for Friday after school.
Perfect. I'm free on Friday.
Great. Now we should go to class.
Yes, the bell will ring soon.
Let's go. See you at lunch.
See you.